Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jumping right into the market today in crypto. Bitcoin has seen a little bit more upside. The weekly candle is still below the 200 simple moving average. This is not amazing. You need to remember this every time you take a look at your portfolio. That Bitcoin is in uncharted waters. It hasn't, maybe one time ever, has it seen this many weeks below the 200. So, I mean, now there'll be a bunch of buyers if you get a break above here. We're going to zoom into the lower term time frames to see what Bitcoin is doing. The most important thing I want you to understand on this chart, so this is Bitcoin 2 hour, is after a trap. All right, so this was a bull trap. We nailed this downtrend. We nailed this breakout. After a bear trap, right? See these long wicks? All the bears jumped in and shorted the market right here. Well, this market's going to punish them. So all your setups up in here play out a lot more bullishly based on the bears being trapped because they open shorts. And so they're forced to open longs to cover their short losses. They offset their losses by opening longs, right? And so now the price action is working up in this rising wedge. There's a 68% chance this breaks to the downside. Again, Bitcoin working in this large pattern. And once if you were to get a breakout to the upside, you'd buy. And if you revisit this lower trend line, there's bounce ideas, but you don't want to get caught in a drawdown that could see $16,000 if this thing breaks to the downside. Now, if we go to the stock market real quick, stocks are closed, but understand that stocks have had a nice bounce. And you've got this trend line resistance just overhead. So however that opens on technically Sunday night, because this is futures, right? ES1, we'll have an idea. Technically, if it opens above, right at resistance, there's a idea where it could get rejected. It has here, has here, has here. And so are you forming this bearish descending triangle, and do you get a reversal that drags Bitcoin to the downside starting tomorrow evening, Monday morning? So that's something to pay attention to. I've got some amazing shout outs to give my trading group. This person from the Ukraine, of all places, been getting devastated by Russia. They've been in the trading group for more than a year. He's like, I haven't made hundreds of millions of dollars. I've only managed to put myself in the 7-digit club. You're only a millionaire. Are you kidding me? You can't. You guys, $1 million trading crypto, golden. This person up 800% in 3 weeks. He had his aha moment. You guys are going to have this. It gets so much easier. Soon as everything just clicks at one time. This person, $5,000 in profit. And every single day, this is from one day. Every single day, we're finding these bangers. 30%, 33, 53, 71, 23, 34, 76. This is from one day. If you sign up this week, I'm still giving a huge discount. 60% off the regular prices. Remember, you go over to the website, cryptorev.net. Pays for itself. It's a no-brainer, cryptorev.net. If you go down into the description of this video, there's a link take you directly to this website. Remember, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Ethereum short squeeze in progress. So the price rallied about actually 14%, and Ethereum shorts could be in trouble. So if we go over to yesterday's video, I talked about, there's all this news on Ethereum's shadow fork where they're essentially merging into proof of stake. Lots of hype behind this. Will Ethereum lead an altcoin rally? It's going to depend on Bitcoin, but we talked about if you get this breakout, you're looking for higher prices for Ethereum. If you go to the Ethereum chart, you see clearly 14% gains max from yesterday's video. Banging. We bring the bangers daily. Now, the question is, this breakout, you want to see that level hold as support now. So you've got the breakout. Look at the volume. Look at this volume spike right here. You've got the volume. Volume confirms the move. Now in Bitcoin, if Bitcoin pulls back, Ethereum is potentially going to follow, but there's some hype here. This is a 200 simple moving average. Ethereum hasn't been above the 200 simple moving average in quite a long time. And last time it broke above it, it did pretty well. Now, before you see not so well, not so well. But again, you're way down here now. Ethereum broke above the 200 simple moving average. This is on the 4-hour chart. So this is above the average price of the last 200 candles. And these are 4-hour candles. So again, things are different for Ethereum. So we're paying attention to, can Ethereum drag these altcoins a lot higher? Whenever I'm looking for an altcoin season ideas, I always want to look at this. And so if we look, this is Ethereum versus Bitcoin. This means Ethereum's outperforming Bitcoin. Have this huge, epic altcoin season, the biggest altcoin season we've ever seen, 2017, right? Ethereum killed it, right? And then it happened again after a bounce, January 2018. Pretty amazing run-ups for these altcoins, and these are on Bitcoin bounces. Now, after this extended downtrend for Ethereum versus Bitcoin, you had this uptrend and a pullback. So the question is, what will it take for Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin again? But in order for these altcoins to have a good rally, I mean, you need the Ethereum BTC chart to really break out. So, I mean, there's definitely some work to do, but something to pay attention to. And I know everybody in the market, I think crypto fear and greed index is at 15 now. Everybody's scared, right? Everybody's scared. Everybody always misses the bottom, but everybody's scared right now. So they're not FOMOing into the altcoin. As soon as they do, they missed about most of the move. They never catch the bottom. They always wait until you get these huge run-ups, and then they're buying the top. The herd buys the top. They don't understand how to buy support. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.